Today I am making gluten-free sausage and cheese biscuits. These will be great for postpartum mornings. When it gets real busy, we can just heat these up. But I just browned my sausage and I cracked 4 eggs and they made a cute little smiley face. But right here I'm just adding in the buttermilk and mixing the wet ingredients together, and those will just go to the side while I combine the butter with the baking mix. I have to use gluten-free. I have celiac disease, so I try to make stuff from scratch so it actually tastes pretty good. But sometimes it's kind of hard to find good gluten-free products, but we're slowly learning. But I'm just combining all this together. It's a slow process, but you'll just want to make sure that you combine the butter and the baking mix together so it doesn't stick together and it just combines easier. Now I'm just adding in my wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. This way it just mixes easier in my opinion. But I added cottage cheese to up our protein intake. I am not big on cottage cheese by itself, but you can't really taste it mixed in with all the other good stuff. And then I added some more cheese. Just slowly adding in the cheese, the good stuff. Now we're going to add in our sausage that was drained. I just used the Jimmy Dean regular sausage. And we're going to spray our pan so it doesn't stick to the pan. Heavily floured work surface so that we can roll out our biscuits easier. I don't use a biscuit cutter. It's too much work for me. But this is just melted butter that I'm putting on top to make them taste even better. Put them in the oven, baked it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And these turned out amazing. They are semi-homemade since we used a little bit of the biscuit starter kit, but they are so good, and these will be so good to just pop in the microwave in the mornings. So we're going to freeze these, and they turned out so good, and I hope y'all enjoy.